Today's organizations rely on applications to accelerate innovation, stay competitive, and deliver value to customers. Yet traditional solutions, now outdated by cloud-native computing, have left a legacy of technical debt. Modernizing your vital business applications becomes a formidable challenge when they're anchored to virtualization platforms not built for the cloud-native era. Red Hat OpenShift, a trusted, comprehensive, and consistent hybrid cloud application platform used by thousands of the world's largest organizations, brings the agility of cloud-native development and delivery to your virtual machines. With Red Hat OpenShift Virtualization, effortlessly transition your existing virtual machines to a modern hybrid cloud application platform, streamlining your operations and cutting down on complexity. Experience faster deployment times, streamlined operations, and enhanced developer productivity while running your virtual machines alongside containers using the same set of tools and processes. By modernizing with OpenShift Virtualization, you preserve your existing investments in virtual machines and harness the simplicity and speed of a modern hybrid cloud application platform. With Red Hat OpenShift Virtualization, you can manage virtual machines using a single set of established enterprise tools for management and operation across environments, from on-premise to public cloud and at the edge. Then enjoy the flexibility to run your workloads on a consistent platform that streamlines application development and deployment and accelerates time to market. Modernize your infrastructure today and be ready for innovation tomorrow with Red Hat OpenShift Virtualization.